Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn two different types of ginger chutneys, also known as Allam Pachadi. There are some differences in making the two types of chutneys. I will also be sharing some tips while making, so stick on and stay till the end of the video. So firstly we'll be making the red ginger chutney. Let's get started. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For this, I am using two different types of red chillies. One is the Guntur red chillies, which are very spicy, and the other one is the Byadagi red chillies, which are not that spicy, and this will give a very good rich red color to the chutney. Soak jaggery and tamarind in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and microwave it for about a minute. Heat a pan with 1 tablespoon oil. Add red chillies and fry for about a minute and then remove it to a bowl. Now add ginger pieces and lightly saute until they start turning golden brown and the raw smell goes away. Remove to a bowl. Add another teaspoon of oil. Add 1 tablespoon urad dal, half tablespoon chana dal. Fry until the lentils turn golden brown. Turn off the heat and transfer to a bowl. Let it cool down completely. To this add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and the jaggery tamarind mixture. Add in some salt to taste. Grind to a fine paste. Add very little water and that too hot water while grinding. This will increase the shelf life of the chutney. Transfer the chutney to a bowl and set aside. Now let's see how to make the green ginger chutney. These are all the ingredients needed for the green ginger chutney. I will be giving all the measurements in the description box below so you can check later. Soak tamarind and jaggery in water and microwave for a minute. This is the same process as we did for the previous chutney. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan over medium heat and saute green chillies and ginger pieces until they turn light brown and the raw smell goes away. Ginger starts changing color and that's when you need to remove from the pan. Transfer sauteed green chillies and ginger to a mixer jar. To this add 1 to 2 garlic pods, half teaspoon cumin seeds and some salt to taste. Add in the tamarind jaggery mixture. Finally add in some fresh coriander, but this is optional. Grind to a very fine paste. Add very little hot water to aid the grinding process. Transfer the chutney to a bowl. So here you have to remember that when you're making small quantity of chutney, it is okay if you add the coriander as such. But if you're going to make in large quantities, saute the coriander in little oil until it shrinks and then add it to the chutney while grinding. So now for the tempering, I am actually preparing the tempering for both the chutneys in one shot. Heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add in mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal and 4 dry red chillies. Once the lentils turn brown, add in few curry leaves and turn off the heat. Transfer the tempering to the chutneys. This chutney pairs very well with most of the South Indian breakfasts like Idli, Dosa, Pesarattu, upma, etc. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me Padma signing off.